Hi guys, today I received this smart lock for viewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because you can use your fingerprint, a code, a card like these ones, or the proper key to open the key lock, which I think it's really nice. You have two pieces, the outside handle and the inside handle. With the inside handle, a place where you can place all the batteries that are gonna power your smart lock, and in the outside part you have all the screen. It's an LCD screen that turns on, and you can touch and select the different numbers, or you can use these kind of cards. You press it like this and it activates, or the fingerprint, okay, which I think it's really nice. In any case that you run out of batteries in your lock and you're locked outside, you have also the option to use just the key to open it up without any trouble, okay, which I think it's a really nice function. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Come on. Okay guys, now it's already installed. As you can see, right now it's won't open, which I think it's really nice. And it won't open till I put on the passcode, which is gonna press the touch screen. So it turns on. I'm gonna put on the passcode. Once that we have the password pressed, we're going to place this side, and it will open, allowing us to open the door. I set it up so that it closes automatically, so when I'm going to open once again the door, once that I open it, it will close almost automatically, so I have a better security. As you can see, I can open it. It closes, and I don't have to worry about leaving the door unlocked because I can just close it on, and as you can see, it won't open, which I think it's really nice. As I've said, you can also use your fingertip, these smart lock security tags that you just place it on in this part and it will open, or in this case, the key. If you get out of your, well, where you want to enter, you just put on the key. As you can see, it doesn't turn, but once we turn it on, it turns, okay, which I think it's really nice. It makes it a nice way to get into your locked room without having any trouble, okay. Overall, I think it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.